Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace license plate light bulb Subaru Impreza full guide. Start by parking safely and gathering tools: screwdriver, replacement bulb, glove, and flashlight. Remove the license plate light cover and inspect the socket for corrosion. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out, replace with the correct bulb, and test the light before reassembling the cover and reconnecting the battery. Gathering the right tools makes this job smooth and quick. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, trim tool, flashlight, gloves, and the correct replacement bulb. Always handle bulbs with gloves to avoid oil transfer that shortens life. Keep a small container for screws so nothing gets lost. Work in a well-lit area and double-check the bulb fit before inserting to ensure a snug, secure connection. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, I personally love these leak-proof meal prep containers for keeping snacks or screws organized in the trunk and preventing spills. They seal tight, stack neatly, and make post-repair cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want a tidy car, they are worth a look. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing the screws holding the license plate light assembly and gently pull it out. Disconnect the wiring or access the bulb holder, then remove the old bulb by pulling or twisting depending on your model. Insert the new bulb firmly without touching the glass, reconnect wiring, and test the light. If it works, reseat the assembly and tighten screws evenly to avoid cracking the housing. Final check ensures a proper secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.